In this quick tutorial, I'd like to show you how to copy your videos from one smartphone to another using OnePlus Switch application. The OnePlus Switch application is capable of copying pictures, videos, contacts, messages, notes, and other data bits. In this tutorial, we are only going to copy the videos though. The OnePlus Switch application is available on Google Play Store, and as of recording of this video, it has 4.8 stars rating from 101,000 reviews, and it also has 5 million downloads. You will have to install the OnePlus Switch application on both of the devices. You can start the process from either of the phones, but it is recommended to start the process from the device where you want to copy the videos to. Once you open the OnePlus Switch application, it will show you the notification that it will need access to your data on your phone. So agree to that and then turn on the application on both of the phones. You can use the Android phone or the Apple phone, doesn't matter. Another set of notifications that you may see, and especially if you are running the OnePlus Switch application for the first time, could ask you for permissions to access various bits of data on your device. For example, the application may ask for permission to access your contacts, notes, messages, videos, pictures, and so on. If you are only using the OnePlus Switch application to copy your videos, then you may deny the permissions to anything else but the videos. I believe there should be 8 notifications asking you to access 8 different types of data, and videos is one of them. From the menu that shows, select I am a new phone to indicate that this is the phone where you want your videos to be copied to. So why does this menu look like this? Because the OnePlus Switch application is designed to transfer all of your data with your messages, notes, pictures, videos from your old phone to your new phone. But you can use it to copy just very specific bits of data, which in this case we will copy our videos. So the phone on the right is the phone where we will copy the videos to. From this screen, indicate the type of device from which you will be copying the data from. You have a choice of the OnePlus, an iPhone, or any other Android device such as Samsung, for example. In this case, the old device, or the device from which we will be copying the videos from, is the OnePlus. Now the next screen is just a notification that tells you that the older phone should also have the OnePlus Switch application already installed. And it has, so moving on. Now the phone on the right, which is about to receive all the videos, shows us QR code that needs to be scanned with the phone on the left, which is the phone from which all the videos will be transferred from. So go ahead and select I am an old phone on the phone on the left. On this screen, the new device, or the device to which we will be copying the videos to, is OnePlus. Now use phone on the left to scan the QR code of the phone on the right. Once the devices connect, use the phone on the left to select what data bits you want to transfer to the other phone. By default, everything is selected, so deselect everything and then select only the videos. Now tap on videos to select which particular videos you'd like to transfer. You will then see various folders that store videos on your phone. Once you selected the folders containing the videos that you want to transfer, tap on the arrow at the left upper corner and then tap on Start button on the right bottom corner. This notification that showed just tells you not to close the application while the videos are being copied. Now the videos are being copied from the phone on the left to the phone on the right. Both phones, of course, are connected to the same network. The videos are being copied with approximately 1.5 gigabytes per minute. Once the copying process completes, both of the phones will notify you about it. If you are using the OnePlus phone, you can go to the File Manager to see if the video is copied. Here is how to do it. Access the File Manager, and once there, you have an option to display the data by categories or by storage. I will display the data by storage by selecting the middle option from the lower portion of the screen. Next, tap on Internal Storage. In here, you will see all the folders that were copied from the other phone. In here, I am accessing a folder named Dance Mobile that was copied from the other phone. This folder contains all the subfolders with all the videos from my dance classes. This completes the tutorial on how to transfer videos using the OnePlus Switch application between two different smartphones.